Welcome back, everybody. Resourceful Marcus back here with you. Just wanted to give another update on this gardening season. Now, this is a bush called black lace. Okay, this bush here last year was double the size. Look at this. Flowers. It doesn't even want to really flower. It's already dried out on the tips here. This is what's been going on this garden season. This gardening season is turning out to be very frustrating and upsetting, as some plants are kind of going dormant, bushes already. So yeah, this is the flowers that would typically flower. It's not even going to flower. The buds are already dried out, gone, toast. Even though we've had some rain in the last few days, everything is just going into shock from the extreme heat we've been getting. Just going to come back around here. You know, we've been getting rain. Everything is going into shock. Look at this. Look at these daylilies. Look at this. Look at how brown and just brutal. Look at the corbels already. You would think it's almost fall now. Terrible. Never looked like that ever. This here, this pea bush. This is a bush that's been on this property for several years. It was turning slightly green. There's a little bit of green on it. Very slightly. Doesn't even want to come back awake. Terrible. In shock. Hopefully it's going to come back next year. This here, look at this. This is just disgusting. Look at this. Purple sand cherry. Already leaves drying out. It's shutting down. It's going dormant. Even though we've had some rain now. Look at this. Never seen it like this. Look at this. Look. Brutal. Now, the big giant hibiscus. Okay, this one's slightly grown. Still hasn't. It's got some buds now, but it still hasn't flowered, and we're almost in August now. This one here. It looks like it's toast. Hopefully it will come back next year. I have one other one here. This one don't even look like it's gonna flower. Right here, this one don't even look like it's gonna flower. Now over here I have a bush called tiger eyes. Okay, this one here, this bush has already got some areas that are drying out on it. It's only half the size of what it was last year. Terrible. And my crabapple tree, look at this thing. Look at all the top of it. Look at it. Look at up there, that section. That section there is just toast. You would think we're in fall already. This is the end of July. Now, this one Japanese maple here, the weeping Japanese maple. Yeah, it's got a little bit of new growth here, but for the most part, it looks like it's gonna go dormant early too. Brutal. Anyways, if anybody wants to comment, leave me a comment if you want. Share any comments if you want. Just throwing that out there, that information. Yep, tough garden season.